Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to change your country in X. Whether you're traveling, relocating, or simply want to update your country settings, X allows you to easily modify this information. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of changing your country in an X. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Once the app is open, you'll be taken to the main screen. Step 2. Locate the account icon, typically positioned in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the account icon to access your account settings. Step 3. A drawer will appear. From the options available, tap on Settings and Support. Step 4. Inside the Settings menu, look for Setting and Privacy. Tap on it to proceed. Step 5. Next, tap on Your Account, and then tap on Account Information. Step 6. In the Account Information section, find and tap on Country. Step 7. Now, use the search function to look for the country you are currently in. Type the name of the country and select it from the search results. And there you have it. You have successfully changed your country in X, ensuring that your account reflects your current location. Thank you for watching, and may your X experience be tailored to your current country.